It's 10 seconds. What were you doing?
That was 10 seconds and you were dancing. Your pants were just literally scrunching. So you started this. 11 or 8.
Yeah, that's supposed to be there. But look, if you want consistency, why did you zoom in? Oh no, you didn't. If you want consistency, please. Yo, but who's gonna edit this? I'm not gonna put myself through that.
What do you mean?
I'm not gonna put myself through that.
Oh, like trying to make the two look the same. Yeah, I see what you mean.
Yeah, if we use two iPhones, yeah, they'll definitely look the same.
So we're recording with the iPhones?
No. I'm not gonna give myself all that work, baby.
What's more work about on the iPhone?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
That you don't know. That you don't know.
What changes? What changes? What would be so stressful about recording on it?
No, just recording two separate footages and then syncing them up to the audio and then chopping them up at certain points to maintain short continuity.
I see what you mean.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna put myself through that.
See, that's actually a fucking lot. I need to, now I'm gonna look that up. There's gotta be a simple way to get the words. And I will be the one to get it right.
To do what? To do what?
I wanna just look up some videos on how to like just make that easier. But no, it should be fine if you actually, I think I have an idea. So let's say if we're doing a 10-minute video, we do need to record these two at the same time so they lap together, you know, they are in sync. And where to chop it. I'll do that part, if I have to cut it up, it's cool. As long as it looks, you know, like a quality fucking video. Do you see the ones we recorded on my phone?
Yeah. Yeah, sure. The audio key. Yeah, I feel like this looks way better.
Yo, the topic we did, we need to redo it. Hey, we should take it down from that fucking thing. The religion in schools thing, it was nice. Like the video wasn't that nice, but like religion in schools.